So guys, welcome to this channel. Look at what is happening now. No, Abia, Israeli government to partner on human capital development. Israeli government saw what was happening in Abia, so they decided to partner with Abia on human capital development. In case you don't know what human capital development is, human capital development refers to the process of enhancing and improving the skills, knowledge and abilities and even overall potentials of individuals within a society or an organization. So that is what human capital development is. So guys, the Abia government on Tuesday expressed its desire to partner Israel's government in deriving innovation and digitalization in the state. Governor Alex Otti of Abia State made this known when the Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, His Excellency Michael Freeman, paid him a visit at the government's house in Omahia. He said, "I have listened to you speak about things that are so important to us as a government. I can tell you without any fear of contradiction that the state's government will partner with you and work with you. You have a clear understanding of how the economy works, particularly the modern economy." Governor Otti described the people of Abia as the most important resource of the state government that we are desirous to build their businesses in innovative and creative ways for best results. He said that the determination and resilience of the citizens, even in the face of the current economic situations and failures of past administrations, was serving as an encouragement for him to keep evolving policies and programs that would improve their welfare and make their businesses to thrive. So after extensive research about the things that are important to us and the resources that are available, in fact I would say that the most important resources we have are the human beings. He said that the human beings are the most important resources that they have in Abia State. And it's true, human beings are the most important resources. So the can-do spirit of the Abia people, the creativity, the innovativeness, the never say die attitude of Abia are the things that actually keep them going. Our people, despite the difficulties and failures of governance they have faced in the past, have continued to trudge on the fight. They are so resilient, and when I look at this, I am encouraged to work for them. That was what Governor Otti was telling the ambassador. The governor said that plans were underway to build an Abia Innovation Center to further strengthen the government's resolve to drive innovation and digitalization. So they have just started though. This is a dress rehearsal. Let me just call this a dress rehearsal, and I believe in the next 1 year a lot will be achieved in this human capital development, like digital economy and innovation. Abia people don't want to be multinationals. They just want to excel in their different trades in very creative and innovative ways. So guys, Otti said that every successful transformation begins with an initial leap forward, and added that the government was determined to translate ideas and intentions discussed into action. This one is not you discuss something and they will say it to everybody's hearing. It will now be a manifesto that will not come to pass. Otti is up and doing in Abia State. Anything that he said, that is what he pushed till he gets that thing done. And that is what is doing in Abia State. You can testify to this. Earlier, the Israeli ambassador to Nigeria, His Excellency Michael Freeman, said that there is so much that Abia and Israeli's governments could do together in the area of agriculture. We are blessed to have leading agriculture experts in the world, and specifically in areas of cassava, rice and cocoa production. So guys, these things are really happening. Look at what Freeman said. He said that the achievement of having full-time electricity in Abia was very commendable, and added that such potentials would allow both governments to work on digital economy and technology, science and agriculture. And it's true, because there's 247 lights in Abia, and it will help them to work on those things. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. Please, if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like, and also drop a comment below. See you guys in the next video.